What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to improve your graphics on your Xbox One. Let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Okay, so before the video guys starts, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications, and leave a like on this video, and let's get into it.
Okay, so guys, I'm on the latest software. I'm on my Xbox One here. So the first step, in order to improve your graphics, and just be aware that this big part of this also depends on what monitor or what TV you're using. For your graphics, this is just a tip in settings to slightly improve it, but if you're playing on like a non-HD TV, this is not going to revolutionize your Xbox One experience. Just keep that in mind. First step, just want to go to settings, bring that up, and sorry for the glare. Just has a cloudy day, but whatever. Scroll down, you want to go to display and sound and go to video output. Click on that. And so here are the settings for this. You got resolution, video modes, video fidelity, overscan, help, and calibrate TV. So there's a couple things you can do here. Make sure you're using the highest resolution. You're not on like 720p. Put the resolution to what your TV or monitor is. It's 1080, make sure it's 1080, stuff like that. And then you can go to video modes. This is not available for me since I've already calibrated my TV, but when it says, let's just see that a little better. Okay, so make sure allow 50 hertz and allow 24 hertz is not checked, just so that you're able to run everything at its maximum performance and you're not limiting it. If you check one of those, you are going to limit it. You can check the bottom three if you want, but for me it's not allowing me to do it. So if that option's available for you, you can check variable refresh rate and 3D and stuff like that, and low latency. But for me, I don't have that, so and here we go. Display. Turn this on auto detect to make it so much easier, and instead of having to like recheck it every time you change your input. And then for color depth, you want to put this at its highest. I think there's a 36-bit per pixel option if you have a better monitor or better TV. So you want to just the highest one available here, highest number for color depth. And then one of the biggest ones is most Xboxes will be set to standard on the color space, and you can change it to PC RGB. To me, this makes the contrast look a little bit sharper. I think it adds deeper blacks, I'm not sure, but definitely change it to that. And then you can check this also for apps can add a border. I don't really know what that does, but just check that anyway. And then another big thing you can do is just calibrate your TV. This will basically just calibrate your monitor or TV for you, and you don't really have to do anything. It'll adjust brightness, contrast, stuff like that. You can do all that, and I'll calibrate your TV to the best settings. So yeah, guys, these are some simple tips that you can do to improve your graphics quality for games. But remember, your TV does have a big does play a big role in this. So if you really want a true change and you're not happy with your TV, you can go out and buy a new monitor or a new TV with a higher resolution or a better refresh rate or better saturation, contrast, stuff like that. But for now, if you want to just do some slight tweaks on your Xbox One, these are the settings you can do it with. So if you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications. And yeah, you can go follow me on Twitter. Go check out my previous how-to tutorials. I'll put a card in the top right corner. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torn for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linker feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.